Hey guys, well, it's been snowing, so it's been hard to post and make videos because, well, I'll tell you what. Woo! Well, it's snowing here in the Chicagoland area, as you can see behind me, so there's not much to do. You can't really drive, sporty, fast. I was going to say fast, but you shouldn't drive fast, guys. You should drive sporty. That's why they have sport mode. And track mode is for the track. It actually tells you not to use it unless you're on a track. So, anyways, instead I've got some goodies that came in the mail, but I got something that's kind of cool that I'm going to do to the interior to dress it up a little bit. So, check it out. Well, I got these aluminum brushed AC vent trim. They looked really cool. I've got them from AmericanMuscle.com, and at least on there they look freaking awesome. I'm gonna open this bad dog up, and we'll see what they look like. All right, well, let's take a peek and see what we got here. Wow, guys, well, I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. I mean, so far, they look awesome. The kit comes with the 3 vents. This is for your center vents. If you've only got the 2 because you got the performance pack, then obviously you'll just discard one, or maybe, I don't know, give it away to a friend if they just want to do 1 vent. Sure. So it does come with a applicator, and it does come with some pretty detailed instructions here on how to install it. Pretty impressed so far. We'll see how it looks once it's on the vehicle. Alright guys, well here it is. It's these 3 vents that we're going to cover up here. And first we got to clean the vents with alcohol, and then we're going to prep it with that stick. So I've got alcohol on this pad right here. And I'm just going to wipe these clean. And the next step is going to be to apply the, calling it a primer. 3M's calling it a primer. So it's basically adhesive prep, and it's going to make the 3M adhesive tape that's on the back of these vent covers actually stick better. So we're going to press this right here with our thumb, break this open. And then it says in the directions to shake it to get this stuff going to the tip. So I'm going to shake it and then start applying it here. Apply it around the outside and all over the inside here on each one of these vents. It's like a coloring book, except you don't have to worry about staying within the lines. It's nice. Alright, well, the adhesive prep or primer is completed, and one step I didn't show you is they say that you should apply some masking tape and then pull it off, and if it pulls off really easily, then you should clean it with a solution. They tell you how to make that solution in the directions, and then apply your prep after that. And basically, they're saying if the masking tape comes off really easily, then you probably have some stuff on there from cleaning it, or at some point in time somebody had put some stuff on there, kind of like Armor All or whatever. So they want to make sure that that's off, completely off, so that you make a really good bond with the tape that's on the back. So here I've got my pile, and the next thing to do is to form these by hand so that they fit nice over the vent, because these are kind of they have a little bit of an arch to them. So we're going to form these by hand very gently and slowly until we get a perfect match, and then I'll install them. Guys, the first one is done, and I just couldn't wait to show you. Oh my god, this thing is freaking... It looks fantastic. Wow. Look at that. Totally transforms the interior. Makes it look so much classier. Wow. Well, there you go, guys. Finished product. Wow. Totally transforms the car. Incredible. Wow. It just makes the whole entire vehicle look so much classier. Oh my god, it gives it that classic look. You guys gotta get these. Freaking awesome. Definitely the best bang for your buck. Woo! Look at that. Freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, is that gorgeous. Here's a nice shot of what it would look like when you have a hot babe sitting in your car. Look at that. Or a hot dude, I guess, if you swing that way. Or if you're a girl. Nice. Very nice. Thing I didn't notice is that on this directions here, look at that. Official licensed product. Ford official licensed product. Look at that. And it's even got a little security strip there to let you know. Wow, incredible. Super high quality product. Definitely recommend. Guys, don't forget to subscribe because I've got some more parts coming. Mustang hood struts. That's right. Watch the next video.